But it seems like we don't need it. But why would they give it to us? Hi everyone, it's me again, Jelena. Welcome to another unboxing video. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. We will be unboxing two things, coffee grinder and espresso machine. So I ordered this from Lazada because I wanted to get it as a gift, but I also wanted to get the espresso machine, but the espresso machine in the color I wanted was sold out. I think I used a discount voucher, so got it for that much. Okay, so let's open it. Aside from the bubble wrap, there's cling wrap. As you see, I got the Delonghi Dedica coffee grinder. So it's supposed to look like this. A coffee grinder you use is very important because the quality of your ground coffee would severely affect the deliciousness of your coffee. Okay, so there's a manual, and under the manual there is it's like a little brush. Has like this nice cover. This has like this line where it says the maximum amount of coffee you can put in it, and if you do make too much, you can just store it. The plug of this is the round type, so you're gonna have to get an adapter for the Philippines. It looks really nice. So this only comes in one color, which is the stainless steel. As you can see, there's like this little compartment inside. It says insert. Oh. I mean, like there is a manual. Okay. Let's get out the manual. This is what it looks like when you put in the container over here. The power button over here. When you press it down, that means it's on. Over here, there's like this sticker, which I feel like you can take off if you don't want it there, but maybe for now we'll keep it on and then take it out after a while. So there's a play button and a double espresso button. And it has a logo here, which is Delonghi. So the body has a brushed steel finish, and the top is more of a reflective stainless steel. Also, the top here has a reflective stainless steel, so you can see yourself and use it as a mirror. It's 2-in-1. Okay, since we're done with this, we should put it away and open our next box. So for the espresso machine, it was out of stock in Lazada, so I couldn't order it at the same time. I saw a Facebook ad for one of these pages selling espresso machines, and they were a lot cheaper, and I was like, oh, is this a scam? So I went to the page, and then I saw the reviews, and it's like, this seems legit. Like, I checked the profiles of the people who posted them, so they seemed like real people. And I was like, it seems real. You could get this for only 13,000, which is like a steal, but it would be coming all the way from Dubai, and it would not come before Christmas, which I needed it to be, but I decided to still get it. But if it was delayed, it's fine because there are a lot of other holidays. It was only 13,000, but I had to give a down payment of 30%. I was asking them if I could have it express shipped here, but then they said it would come out super expensive because I would be the only one who would have it flown in. It would be more than 7,000. So I just decided to go with the sea cargo. I think the estimated date of arrival was Feb 6 or something. And then they sent it through Lala Move. Okay, let's open it. The manual on top. It has a lot of styrofoam around. On the other side, there's this little box. So it seems to be some sort of cleaning solution. And the instructions. I think it's really nice if they have a visual manual. I think Elgato should do this too because I didn't know what to do with all the stuff. I mean, if you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. This thing popped up. What is it? It's like a little bowl thing with like little dots. counter yet, like you still have to buy one. The thing where you put your coffee in, I think. Nope. This is for something else. There's a little rubber here and little tiny holes. Has two teeth. Has these two things over here where the coffee will come out from. So if you want to do like two, you can just put the little glasses beside each other. So like, I think. So here we are. As you can see at the back, it detaches. This is where you put the water. Yeah, it has these little springies here to kind of like lock in there. And you can put your water while it's on, or you can take it out. It's the brushed steel and the shiny stainless steel on top. On top you can see the space where you can put little espresso cups. So similar to the coffee grinder, it has a power button on the side. They could be sisters or something. And then, okay, so you have like this little knob here that goes from 0 to oof and wet. So this is a steamer and this is the control for the steamer. You put it up, it's hot milk. You put it down, it's cappuccino. You're packing it up, put it in, using it, put it out. So let's pop it up. So this thing just pops out easily. There's this platform that also pops up. Put it there if you're using a taller cup. So this looks like it has a little face, and this comes off. There's this red in here. It seems like it's very easy to clean, which is good. Like that's something I look for when buying anything. It's like I always ask myself like how easy or how hard would it be to clean this item, and so that would be one of the deciding factors if I were to be comparing it with something else. Cup, 2 cups, and then the puffy little icon steamer. Here it says insert and close. You insert it through this side and then close by putting it there. Still do not know what this is for, but I don't know if you can store it in there. Right. This is still here. What? What? The instructions are kinda unclear on what this is for. But it seems like we don't need it. But why would they give it to us? I'm very excited to try this out. We'll try making some coffee. Just packing it up. So I have 2 of these. It's very similar to this thing. So I think if you get it out, there's this little thing here, so you can take this out and replace it with those. As they're popped out. Probably for a double espresso, for single, and a cup.
It's the D in the fridge.
Bango.
Yay! Ben's making some coffee. You have to press the on, so it blinks. I clicked it. Why it's not going?
Yung malago ba yun?
Okay, so after watching a YouTube video, understand. Okay, so you have to let 100 milliliters out. Turn it off. There, that's a different sound. Hey! That's it?
It's supposed to do 5 cups before it can give you the best result, remember?
That's what it looks like after taking it out. Now we're gonna put it in the compost.
Figuring out how to use this coffee maker.
It's not good. And then now what? I'm so confused. Oh man. Drain any excess water from the reservoir.
Is it just gonna drain all of this? I think so. Maybe you're supposed to take out the water from it.
Turn on the steam. Purge the wand.
Just like that.
Turn it on. It's doing a little self-assessment. Turn on the frother. Purge the water. That was very anticlimactic.
Oh, there you go. To get rid of any big
I think we're good, right?
So I sent it.
So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.